Okay, so today I'm gonna do a quick tutorial video or how to install LED lights on a gsxr 600. This is a 2006, so this will apply to many Suzuki bikes and even other bikes, but this is specifically for this one. As you can see, it's a 2006 600, and this is the bike that I'm going to be installing the LEDs. I'm going to turn on the headlights real quick so you can see. I don't know if you can see, but it's the yellow and the high beam. It's also yellow. Looks old, so we're trying to make it look more newer and better. Actually, a tool that you're going to need is just some pliers, a ratchet. It don't matter if it's electric or regular one. Allen key. This is 3/8 4mm Allen key, some electrical tape, and your LED lights. This is a mini LED H7, so you can see it's smaller than the other ones. And this is your typical H11. This is a bit bigger, but it will fit same on this for the high beam, and that's for the regular the low beam. No, this is the high beam, and that's the low beam, the H7. So we're gonna install it and go show you guys how to do it real quick. I don't want to make this video too long. First thing, remove our stuff, make it set up real quick. So let's go to the other side. I don't think we can get a good look at what we're going to do. Okay, so this is a better. Okay, so first we're going to, if you want to remove the clutch cable, that's fine. It's more access to the things. So basically what you're going to do is just remove let me get a good look. Remove that bolt that is right here. It's kind of hard doing a video by yourself, so anyways, so we're going to loosen up that bolt to get access to the headlights. That's it. Got the bolt out. Next, we're just going to pull the cluster out. It just pops right out. And then there's a clip under. So just pull it. Okay, we got it out. We got the cluster. Then what we are going to do next is try to get a better angle so you can see what I'm about to do. So basically we're under, I think it's a better angle. So right here under, there's the high beam. So you just unplug right there and twist it like that, and then your high beam is out. And then we go to the top one, just disconnect it and plug it. There's a plug right there. Then get the rubber boot out, put it aside. Then the clip, oh shit, you can use 2 hands. And this is your regular H7. So we're just gonna take that out because we're going to reuse this housing. And so we got our pliers, got our tape, and our bulbs, our LED lights. So we're gonna go and install the bottom one. The way you're gonna install this one, the thicker lip goes upright like that, so it has to be facing down. Then just align it slowly, and then when it's in, all the way in, just twist it around like that, and the plug or the cable should be facing this way to your left side. And then we're just gonna connect the LED. Just like that. It's already been connected. Then we're gonna put the cable around there, make it secure. Then we're gonna go to the top real quick. This one has to be faced this lip up like that, so we can connect the cable, the housing. This one is a little bit trickier because it doesn't sit pretty well. Now we're going to reuse the socket, so we're going to put it in place right here. Like that. Something like that. Yeah, like that. Then we're going to use the pliers so we can open up this one a little bit more. Oh shit. Just a tiny bit. Like that. So now there's the power supply, there's the current. You just connect it like that, and we can use our key to double check everything. Just to make sure. It's becoming a little bit tricky. So we got it in. Let's see. Let's put the plug so we can see if it's working or not. Okay, so I got it backwards. So the positive goes to the right side and the negative to the left side. So we got that one in already. Now we know it works. I'm gonna use a little bit of electric tape. So this is just to make sure it doesn't pop out. So now we got it, everything. Put our socket here. Like that. And then our last shit. Now we have to double check the low beam, the high beam. So I think it's not working. Okay, we got it working. I got it the wrong way. So put everything back. We put the gauge cluster. Sorry for the video, but I know it's kind of weird, but working alone, it's not easy. And also when you're recording, so just pop this sucker right in. And then just get your bolt and then screw it back in. Just like that. Just tighten it just a little bit. It won't go anywhere. And then we just get our clutch cable back on. Just like that. Then we adjust it to the way it was. Now we got it. So we turn it off. Let me get the camera out. Okay, so we got everything back. We open the switch. Everything lights up. There you go. So we're now gonna check the boom. That's the low beam. Then there you go, the high beam. So we got it under control. Everything is installed and everything. Sorry for the angles, but I'm working on myself for the bike, so it's not easy. But hope this video helps you out on installing your LED lights on your Suzuki. And I'll be seeing you in the next one. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any comments, let me know, and I'll be happy to help you out. Peace.